Hi. In this video, we will learn about file and application-related shortcuts in Excel.
Now let's look at file and application related shortcuts. So when you want to open a file, you can use Ctrl and O as the shortcut. So from here you can select one of the files you have recently used and open it from there. Then if you want to open a new file, you can use the shortcut Ctrl and N. So now we have opened a new file and the default name book1 has come there. If you want to close a file, you can use Ctrl and W. So I'll open this other one. So here, if I want to close this file, I'll press Ctrl and W. And that file is now closed. If you want to save a file for the first time, you can use Ctrl and S. So let me first open a new file, Ctrl N, and I will press Ctrl S to save that file. And when I go to save for the first time, it's asking me for a file name, and then it's asking me to give a location where to save. You can go to Files, Save As using the F12 key shortcut. So here, if I go here and I press F12, so it's going to ask me where to save the file, and then the file name I can give from here. You can switch between workbooks using the Ctrl and the Tab short key. So if I press Ctrl and Tab, I've now gone to the other workbook, and again from Ctrl and Tab, I come back to the same workbook. So I can switch between workbooks using Ctrl and Tab key. If I want to go to the previous workbook, I can press Ctrl, Shift and Tab. So Ctrl, Shift and Tab. Now I go to the previous workbook. And if I want to insert a new worksheet, there's a shortcut key, Shift and F11. So I'm over here and I want to insert another sheet. If I press Shift and F11, another sheet has got inserted here.
Thanks for watching.